Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting both the helmet and your fingers. Wear soft gloves and work on a clean, flat surface. First, move the visor to a mid-open position so the pivot plates are exposed. This gives you access to the release points. Once done, wipe any grit from the hinge area with a clean cloth. Make sure to remove particles that could scratch. Next, have a flat plastic pry tool ready. It will let you gently lever plastic clips without damaging the shell. You now focus on the hinge covers and their small retention tabs. Insert the plastic pry tool under the outer edge of the cover and apply steady outward pressure. This depresses the retention clip so the cover lifts. Once the cover pops, find the tiny tab holding the visor pin and press it while pulling the visor slightly outward. Make sure to do one side at a time so the visor doesn't bind. Keep movements smooth. Avoid twisting, which can break plastic pins. After both retention tabs are released, grip the visor near the pivot and slide it straight off the pins while supporting the opposite side so it doesn't snap out. Inspect the pins and clips for cracks or wear. Replace any damaged parts before reassembly to ensure secure fit. If the visor resists, you can apply a small amount of silicone spray to the hinge, not oil, and wait a minute. Make sure to clean surfaces afterward and retry slowly to avoid forcing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.